So here we are at the end of the installation process on this end of the room. What's happened is that the last tiles are a little bit too long, so we've been trimming the bottom half, but the bottom portion of these tiles off, the interlocking edge, and then a few inches of tile. And that's enough so that these pieces slide right up even with the footing of the trim here. And I'm just installing this tile so that it matches up with the adjacent pieces and ends up right up adjacent to this, this trim.